Hello everyone! Welcome back to HLB Visa Consultancy. Nakapag-ayos ka na ba ng mga bagahe mo kasi pauwi ka na or paalis ka na ng Pilipinas? I hope mapanood mo ito kasi baka dahil dyan sa nilagay mo sa bagahe mo, ma-offload ka or kunin ng security personnel kung ano man ang meron ka sa luggage mo. Ano ba yung mga appliances na pwede sa carry-on luggage? At ano naman yung mga appliances na sa check-in lang po pwede? At ano yung mga appliances na bawal siya dalhin? Hindi mo pwedeng ilagay sa carry-on at hindi mo din pwedeng ilagay as a check-in luggage. Totally hindi po allow na dalhin ito. Isa-isa na natin ano ba yung mga appliances na pwede nyong ilagay sa carry-on luggage or pwedeng ipasok sa loob ng eroplano. For personal care, pwede nyo po itong ilagay sa inyong mga carry-on luggage, electric or rechargeable razors, allowed in carry-on and check-in luggage must be switched off, battery-powered carry-on preferred if lithium battery. Hair iron or hair straightener allowed in carry-on luggage, hair curler, allowed in carry-on luggage must be switched off, battery-powered or rechargeable curling irons should be in carry-on luggage. Hair blower or hair dryer recommended in carry-on luggage. Electric toothbrush carry-on recommended. Para naman sa mga electronic, pwede po itong mga sumusunod na to. Cellphone, smartphone, mobile phone, any kind of cell phone you can put in your carry-on luggage. Laptop carry-on recommended. And tips, keep switch off or in sleep mode. Remove for security screening if required. Cameras carry-on recommended. iPad, tablet carry-on recommended. Electronic reader must be also in carry-on luggage. Smart watch must be in the carry-on luggage. It should be powered off or in a low power mode. Remove if requested for security screening. Headphone, earphone must be in carry-on luggage. Small Bluetooth speaker, charger and cable. You can pack this together with your carry-on luggage. Lithium batteries carry on only and should be protected. For power bank, limited to 100 watt is allowed as hand carry item only. For small appliances naman na pwede po sa carry-on luggage, any kind of mini fan, portable fan that is powered by batteries, bottled warmer. Ito po lagi yung worry ng mga nanay kasi hindi naman pwedeng uminom ng malamig yung kanilang mga infant. Baka kabagin sa loob ng flight, mas nakaka-stress ito. Yes po, pwede po magdala ng bottle warmer. Electric guitar, carry-on recommended. Most airlines allowed a guitar as a personal item or sporting equipment if it fits in the overhead bin. Electronic weighing scale, usually safe in carry-on or check-in luggage. Microphone usually allowed as carry-on. At ito naman yung pwedeng ilagay sa check-in luggage. LED lamp or bulb, oven toaster, family size rice cooker, electric kettle, mini blender, family size coffee maker, iron, insecure package. Mini oven can go in check-in luggage if empty and dry, but carry-on is usually refused for safety reasons. So you're allowed to check in mini oven. A sandwich maker, table electric fan, television. It is allowed to check in television not more than 32 inches, but you should pack it well. Computer CPU is also allowed in check-in luggage. It should be in original box if possible. Any appliances that heats or cooks food, empty, dry, and wrap, safe for check-in luggage. Never carry liquids or oil-filled cooking appliances in carry-on. Drill, allowed but with conditions. It should be electric or powered by batteries. Must be packed securely to prevent any damage. Drone must be checked in. But all drone batteries controller can be placed in carry-on luggage.
Kung yung mga dadalhin yung appliances na ilalagay sa check-in ay powered by batteries, mas maganda po na nakaiwalay po yung battery nila doon po sa main device. So, ipack nyo po separately yung kanilang batteries, no? Kasi ito yung commonly na nagpo-cause ng fire o kaya sumasabog. Kapag hindi nakakaya ng battery sa loob, yung pressure, nagpo-cause siya ng any problem. Recommended, pack the batteries separately. At ano-ano naman yung mga bagay na hindi pwedeng ilagay sa carry-on at hindi din pwedeng ilagay sa check-in luggage. Yung totally banned siya. Hindi siya pwedeng dalhin. If you have all of this, much better po na i-cargo nyo po ito. Ipadala nyo po as package.
Baka maging dahilan pa ito kung bakit kayo ma-offload. At sayang naman kung ito ay makukuha sa inyo sa airport. Gas stove. In any airlines, bawal po magdala nito. Kahit pabalutin ng maayos, hindi po talaga allowed. Washing machine. Dahil sa bigat nito at sa mga motor parts na nakakabit sa washing machine, hindi po to allowed sa airlines. Microwave oven. Household appliances that are heavy, large, or contain heating elements are banned from passenger baggage. Printer, not allowed as regular baggage. Speaker, very large or professional PA speakers are usually banned as carry-on or check-in luggage. Generator is not also allowed in passenger luggage. For large vacuums, do not take as passenger luggage. But for small handheld vacuums, pack and check luggage with batteries removed or better yet carry on if airlines allows. Grass cutter is also not allowed. Garden appliances that heavy, sharp or fuel powered, it's banned from passenger baggage.
Large industrial machine, explosive or flammables devices, use lithium batteries over airlines limit. Dito ang ilang tips paano ba yung maayos na pagpapack ng mga electronic devices. Number 1, wrap your appliances with clothes or with bubble wrap. Lagi kong ginagawa, hindi ako gumagamit ng bubble wrap. Yung damit ko lang po, doon ko niro-roll yung aking mga small appliances. Pangalawa, remove batteries. So you need to pack the batteries separately. Carry purchase bills if possible. So wag nyo pong iwawala ang mga resibo ng mga gantong items. Dapat lagi nyo po itong dala-dala. So in case of any inspection, nakita siya sa x-ray and pina-explain sa'yo, tinanong ka, so at least you have your receipt. Inform the security when scanning. So pag nagtatanong ang security, ay ma'am ano po ito na nagbu-blue dito? So answer honestly. And the most important, check the website of your airlines. It is also your responsibility para po malaman kung ano yung mga allow at hindi allow na mga item sa loob po ng airport or ng airlines. Narito yung common cause kung bakit may mga appliances or mga small electronic devices na kinukuha ng security personnel sa airport. Number 1 is the battery violation. Sharp edges, yung mga appliances na mga matutulis. Heating elements, kasi pwede itong mag-cause ng fire. At yung mga appliances na ginagamitan po ng gasolina, crudo, o kaya naman any type of appliances na powered by fuel.
Rule of thumb, all small electronic with lithium batteries carry on prepared, padded for protection. And for the practical travel tips, always check your airline's website. Rules vary slightly. Keep electronics easily accessible for security checks. Tape or cover battery terminals if carrying spares. And avoid packing damaged or overheated devices.
And that is for today's vlog. I hope nakatulong po sa inyo at ngayon alam nyo na kung ano yung mga appliances na pwede sa carry-on, pwede sa check-in at hindi totally pwede na idala sa Pilipinas or idala papasok ng ibang bansa. If you have any inquiries, type your inquiries sa comment section. Sasagutin ko yan. And if you have not yet subscribe po kayo sa aking YouTube channel para ma-notify kayo if I have new videos, if you need assistance, visa assistance, immigration assistance, kindly email me in this email address or follow my Facebook page. Thank you so much and keep watching my video.